The Scott's 20-inch reel mower cuts a path 20 inches wide, glides smoothly on 10-inch wheels, and mows grass from 1 to 3 inches high. The 20-inch Scott's reel mower is easy to assemble out of the box, and the lightweight design means you can maneuver well on uneven ground and hang it on a wall when the job is done. The Scott's reel mower uses precision-cut blades to cut each blade of grass cleanly with a scissor-like action. Scott's reel mowers are quiet, safe, lightweight, non-polluting, clean-cutting, and a healthy way to keep your lawn looking great.
This Lawn Boy self-propelled mower with electric start is an affordable, reliable walk-behind mower with some nice features that make mowing easy and leave your lawn looking great. With the electric starter, there's no need to pull a recoil cord. Just turn the key and you're ready to mow. And the rear-wheel drive self-propel system also makes mowing easier by providing plenty of traction for going up slopes or hills. The 2-point height of cut system adjusts 2 wheels at the same time, so setting your cutting height is fast and easy. The durable 21-inch steel deck and Lawn Boy's exclusive tri-cut cutting system make this a great mower for mulching. When you want to bag your clippings, Lawn Boy's larger bag fills easily, holds more, and lets you empty the clippings faster and less often. And Lawn Boy backs all their mowers with a full 2-year warranty and the 3-year True Start guarantee. So, for a dependable electric start mower that's easy to handle and hard to beat, this Lawn Boy's the right choice for you.
One company stands out for being at the leading edge of innovation. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1 with its revolutionary deck design quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower.
Get real. Get a really great looking lawn, that is, with the Mojo MJ500M manual reel mower from Sunjoe. Mojo handles tough turf with ease and provides a quiet, eco-friendly solution for any lawn. MJ500M comes equipped with a durable rear collection bag to make your cleanup work fast and easy. Powered by you, the Mojo has a 16-inch wide cutting path for a crisp cut that will be the envy of the entire neighborhood. The adjustment lever, featuring 4 convenient settings, lets you easily select the height that's just right. 5 razor reel steel blades quickly make light work of any lawn. Mojo's comfortable, non-slip foam grip handle improves control and handling, so you get maximum results with each pass. Backed by Sunjoe's full 2-year worry-free warranty, it's the manual mower you can count on to keep cutting season after season. For a greener, cleaner yard, go with Joe. The Mojo MJ500M manual reel mower from Sunjoe. Get equipped.